Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss how to convert an infix expression into postfix expression. Already in the previous session, we have discussed the algorithm to convert infix to postfix expression. Step 1, add closed parenthesis at the end of the given infix expression. Step 2, push open parenthesis onto the stack. Step 3, repeat these following steps. If a open parenthesis is encountered, push it onto the stack. If an operand is encountered, it may be a digit or character. Whenever an operand is encountered, add it to the postfix expression. If closed parenthesis is encountered, repeatedly pop the elements from the stack and add it to the postfix expression until you reach the open parenthesis in the stack. Then, after doing this, cancel this open and closed parenthesis. Suppose if an operator is encountered in the sense, compare the incoming operator with the top element of the stack operator. If the incoming operator is having equal precedence or a higher precedence in the sense, repeatedly pop the operators from the stack and add each operator to the postfix expression which has same precedence or higher precedence. Suppose if it is lesser precedence in the sense, push the operator onto the stack. Once all the infix symbols have been encountered, then also there are elements present in the stack in the sense, repeatedly pop the elements from the stack and add it to the postfix expression until stack is empty. Okay, so this is the algorithm to convert infix to postfix expression. Convert the following infix expression into postfix expression. We know the algorithm. So first step is add a closed parenthesis at the end of the given infix expression. We have added. Next, we need to consider three columns. One is what is the infix expression you have scanned, and the stack, and then the postfix expression. Now, step by step, you have to consider each element in the given infix expression and we have to convert it into postfix expression using the stack data structure. And here the next step is, by default, you have to add a open parenthesis at the beginning of the stack. Okay, meaning is, here open parenthesis is there, that is the meaning, and here closed parenthesis is there. We have added, okay, by default. The start and end of the expression the compiler should understand. Okay, for that purpose, you are adding open parenthesis into the stack and closed parenthesis at the end of the infix expression. Next, the first element in the infix expression is an operand. A is an operand. If it is an operand, place directly in the postfix expression. Next comes the minus operator. In the top element of the stack, there is no operator. So, push this operator into the stack. And the postfix expression is A only. Next comes the open parenthesis. If it is an open parenthesis, push it onto the stack. Okay. And the postfix expression is A only. Next is the operand. B is an operand. If it is an operand, directly place it in the postfix expression. Next, this is a division operator. And inside the stack, if you are considering, the top element of the stack is an open parenthesis only. If there is any other operator, you can compare. Here it is open parenthesis only. So, push it onto the stack. Operator, you push it onto the stack. And postfix expression is AB only. Next element in the infix expression is C. And here open parenthesis minus open parenthesis division only. C is an operand. Place this operand in the postfix expression. Next comes the plus operator. So, plus operator, if you are considering, inside the stack there is an operator. Top element of the stack is a division operator. Incoming operator is a plus operator. Plus operator is having lower precedence compared to division operator. So, you cannot able to place this plus operator on the top of the division operator. Okay, so pop this division operator and place it in the postfix expression. ABC division operator, you have to place that. Now, you can push this plus operator into the stack. Able to understand? Plus operator is having lower precedence. Top element operator in the stack is division operator. It is having higher precedence. You should not place lower precedence operator on the top of the higher precedence operator. So, pop the division operator and place it in the postfix expression and then push this plus operator into the stack. Next, this is a open parenthesis. Open parenthesis in the sense directly added to the, push it into the stack. Okay. And the expression, postfix expression is ABC slash only. Next comes D. D is an operand. So, operand in the sense, place it in the postfix expression. Okay. Next comes the modulus operator. You need to check the top element of the stack. It is an open parenthesis only. So we can push this modulus operator into the stack. Since the top element is open parenthesis. Okay. Plus operator is at the bottom of this open parenthesis only. Okay. So no need to compare. Only if the top element of the stack is any other operator, in that case you need to do comparison. Okay. And the postfix expression is ABC/D only. Next is an operand E. If it is an operand, place it into the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression is ABC/DE. Okay, and next comes the star operator. And the stack operator, if you are considering, it is open parenthesis minus open parenthesis plus open parenthesis modulus operator is there. You want to push the multiplication operator into the stack. Modulus operator and multiplication operator equal precedence. In that case also, pop this modulus operator and place it in the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression is ABC, division operator, DE, and then the modulus operator you have to pop and place it in the postfix expression. Then you have to push this multiplication operator into the stack. Okay. Next comes the operand F. F is an operand. So place it in the postfix expression directly. Now the postfix expression is ABC/DE modulus F. Okay. Next comes the closed parenthesis. Whenever you are encountering closed parenthesis, you have to pop the element from the stack and place it in the postfix expression until you encounter a open parenthesis. Okay. Only the multiplication operator is there. So postfix expression is ABC, division operator, DE modulus F star. Then you will get this open parenthesis and you have to discard this open and closed parenthesis. Next is division operator, and this division operator is having higher precedence compared to plus operator. Plus operator is having lower precedence. So you can place this division operator on top of this lower precedence operator plus. Okay, so here open parenthesis minus open parenthesis plus and then division operator. Then the postfix expression as it is, no change in this. Next comes the operand G. If it is an operand, directly place it in the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression is ABC/DE modulus F star G. You have to add now. Okay. And next comes the closed parenthesis. So whenever you are encountering closed parenthesis, you have to pop the elements from the stack one by one and place it in the postfix expression. First you have to pop division operator ABC. The postfix expression is ABC/DE modulus F star G. First you have to pop division operator and place it. Next you have to pop a plus operator and place it. Next you will encounter a open parenthesis. Okay. Now after doing this, discard these two, open and closed parenthesis. Corresponding open and closed parenthesis you have to discard. Okay. And then next comes the star operator. The top element of the stack operator is minus operator. Minus operator is a lower precedence operator. Star is a higher precedence operator. So you can place the higher precedence operator on top of the lower precedence operator. Okay. And the expression will be AB/DE modulus F star G slash plus you will get it. Then comes the operand H. If it is an operand, directly place it in the postfix expression. So here postfix expression is ABC/DE modulus F star G slash plus and then H you have to place it. Okay. And next comes the closed parenthesis. So whenever you are encountering closed parenthesis, till you encounter open parenthesis, one by one, the top element of the stack you have to pop it and place it in the postfix expression. Okay. So here the postfix expression will be ABC/DE modulus F star G division plus H, and then first you have to pop this multiplication operator and place it in the postfix expression, and then you have to pop the minus operator and place it in the postfix expression. Okay, and then the open parenthesis you will encounter tally these two. Okay, and next there is no element in the infix expression. Now all the elements in the infix expression you have scanned, and the corresponding postfix expression you have converted. Okay, there is no elements, and here stack is also empty now. Okay, so the postfix expression, if you are considering in the sense, it is A, B, C slash D modulus F star G slash plus H star minus. This is the equivalent postfix expression for this given infix expression. Okay, in this way only you need to do the conversion. Understand the algorithm properly, then you will easily do this conversion. Thank you for watching this video.